we start with discuss why we using the SPS, simple queue service. So for the blind example, I will give you like we are going in one line. Who will the come maintaining the line that queue? They will do the first. So in the SPS, we have two options. One is standard. One is FIFO. What is standard? What is FIFO? Standard now what it will do, right? Standard we don't give it in the proper way. Like we are going the one way. So some people will come and middle they will join. That is not proper queue, right? So that is standard. So what all the comes going right, it will go in an improper way. Like who will the first event, right? Might be go in the last also in that sort of things. And FIFO will be what first in first out. Like what it will do, it will who enter into the first, he will only out from the line. In that sort of it will be roles will be there. So how we need to create the these things and all. So where it will be useful. So while sending the emails, sending the request and orders, like if we are ordering, like if you see here anywhere, like if you are add in the cart, right, it will come in the order by order. Don't go in the middle and it don't attach, right? So queues line by line, it will come. So here queues, go here. We are not having queues. We are going to create new. So what we'll do, we'll go with the FIFO, first in first out. FIFO. Okay, visibility timeout 30 seconds, message retention period, how much time it would be there, 4 days. So if we can reduce to minutes also. So this message retention will be where it will be there. I will show you. Okay, where you can able to see the messages, all the things. Okay, delivery delay, zero delay. We are choosing like zero delay, and maximum size will be 256 KB, and receiving message wait time 0 seconds. FIFO queue or Q1 per queue throughput encryption. Already we are using the by default encryption for the queue. So basic policy which will be there. It written by the AWS itself. We are using that only. So we are returning the all allow policies disabled. Dead letter queue disabled. So I am creating the queue. Okay. So here we can able to see the queue got created. Okay. So where we will use this for SQS in the major way, where we will use the SQS in the SQS, where in the sense like we have in the application, right? See, if you are purchasing one application, so not application, you take a scenario like you are having the Amazon application, Amazon. So you are going and you are purchasing. After purchasing that order, you will receive the one email, right? Your order got placed successfully. From where it will come? From the this queue, the queue only. From the SQS, it will trigger the SQS. And SQS2, it will go in the line, and it will send the mail to us. Like that, they will use. So here, we will send how it will come the mails. So here, we are not touching any SNS here. So when we are triggered SNS, right? SNS we added it. When SNS trigger, it will go to the SQS. From SQS, it will go to the mails. For the SNS, we added the email, right? We have seen a couple of options. You go with the email, mobile number, that will be different. This is SQS, that is FIFO is there SNS. So that is different, right? So for that one, we are giving only FIFO. I will show you that one. So here topics will be there. Right? We have created the topics. Which topics? While creating topic, we have only first in first out and standard. But we are selecting the standard. In that we have the topics called, this is that one, like it will be there, right? Topics. So what we did here, in the FIFO rule, we selected it. In the queue, it will come here. So when queue is triggered, it will go to the lambda function. Lambda function, what it will do, it will process the data, what is the queue is, and it will send the request to the SES, email service. So the email will be get the data and it will send the email to us. Got it. So here, how will modify the data? See, send on receive messages. Whatever we are doing, right? Everything in a visible way. Everything we can able to see from here itself. So here you can able to see send a message. Message body. What is message body? What will be there actually in the message body? Content will be there. Like on why we are sending the email. What is the content actually we are going to provide to them? So okay, what I will do, I will give the welcome to see info. Right? Thank you for joining us. Okay. Okay, I'm giving the one group ID. Okay, SID. Duplication ID also I'm giving same SID. Okay, what I will do, I will send the message. What you got? Your message has been sent and is ready to be received. Okay, we successfully sent the message, email. That request went. Here we didn't give any email ID. So where it the message will be received? Here in the SQS only we have receive messages. Here you can able to say this is send message. Okay, below you can able to see there receive message. Okay, we have seen nothing. It came here. So one message available. Polling duration 30, maximum 10. All the things will be there. Okay, what we'll do? We'll refresh this page. Anything came here? Receive message? No. What we need to do for need to get the details, like what we sent the email, right? Message we sent before, right? To get that message, we need to poll for messages. If you click on this poll for messages, it will get the details. Any message received or not. Okay. See, I got one order ID, message ID. So what it doing? It tracing the all the messages what we sent. Okay, and whenever we are sending the mails, that will be a different groups, right? We'll see after this completion. See, we have received one successfully. So what message we sent? How we can see here? Click on ID. So here you can able to see the body, right? What is there in the body? Welcome to 7 Photo. Thank you for joining with us. Attributes, details, all the things will be there. It got MD5 of message body, sender account ID, all the things it will come in here. You can able to see here, right? So in the real time, what will happen, right? This when we send this message, it will trigger the lambda function. Okay. So this is how we'll send the message. This is done with the SES. So we can send couple of messages like okay. Just I'm using the temple. I will send a message again. Okay. Still here didn't got anything. Right. I will pull a message. Then I can able to see. Right. I told you before. Like the size will be the only 256 KB. How much whenever we are typing, right? It's checking like 60 bytes. So the second one it coming like almost 29 bytes. Right. Click on this one and able to see the data body. Right. How this will send we will send the data. The mails. Okay. Why? Because for everything, every data, subject will be same, right? Order ID, order name will be changed. Think like how we are doing this SQS in the sense, like we have them in the Amazon having all the orders. In the all the orders, content will be same. Whenever you purchasing the order, right? The content will be same. But what you will be changing over there? Just order ID, product name, price when it's going to deliver. Only those things only it will be changed, right? Those things and all manipulated in the lambda function, that kind of things. So in the real time, they will integrate the SQS and SES to the applications. Okay, SMTP, SES will be work on SMTP protocol, simple email transfer protocol. Okay, whenever it triggering, right, it should send the emails, right? So when it reaches the exact thing, when you place the order, that should send the request to or email ID. Your order is confirmed. So this will be configured in the application. Okay, we are going to give the credentials to the application team. The queues, everything will work on same scenario. Okay, this is done with this SQS.